bipolar. That's cool. The Valkyrie. One of them little houseboats. Like, I think these people are really pushing the limits. Look at this. Oh wow. Got water piped in. Weird. Huh. Gutsy having water piped into your boat. 1926. MV Seal. He's got like lights and cameras, and surprised he ain't out here with his AR looking me over yet. Gosh. I don't know when they started allowing this. And I'm telling you, don't do this. If something goes wrong, you just sink your boat with city water. Never hook your boat up to a live tap like that. The Foolish Dreamer. Hey, these are better. God, them ladders we had before, unless you were freaking a weightlifter, forget it. Hey, Foolish Dreamer. Nautical dementia. It used to be called the gaslight. Where has dog? Huh. Huh. Well, Diamond Lil's gone. Hey, look at this. Uh-oh. Notice of impound. That's a cute little sailor. This is a cool old ship. God, early 1900s, I forget when. I looked her up once. I think her name's the Alaskan. Job announcement on the Medea deckhand. Scientific project, fisheries data. Yeah, these people get these houseboats and then they load them down. He's got like, well, he's got 0 inches at the dock side. He's got maybe 3 inches out on this side. Found a glove. Ironclad EXO. Nice. Like I said, I never buy gloves. I used to. See, that's thinking on your feet. You gotta do that here.